For all my skiers and snowboards, I want to go ahead and do an honest review of the high experience, the baggy snowboard and ski pants. Now, if you're looking for a new pair of pants to hit the slopes and look good, go ahead and look at these ones. They have a bunch of different colors. Now let's get into the actual facts about the pants. So the exterior here, the breathability index is going to be 30,000 and the waterproofing is going to be 15,000. Now I am 5'5", I'm 125 pounds, and I am wearing a size small. There is many zippers here on these pants. As you can see here, they're really nice and deep, so you can throw your phone. I have the 17 Pro Max, and it fits really nicely in these pants. You also get cute pockets right here on the back as well that are Velcroed, and then there's no zipper, but they are very, very deep. I like how this little tag comes out, and there is a little plastic part on it, so you won't have to worry about it fraying at all. And I love the reflective stripe here that you see on the pants. Now let's get down to the bottom of these. As you can see here on the bottom, there's going to be two zippers on the right and the left leg that are going to help to get your ski or snowboard boots on. And then you also have here this part that helps so that the snow does not get into your pants, because that is never fun. High Experience thought of everything, and they do have two vents here right at the legs that are gonna help you not overheat on the slopes. There's a cargo pocket here on the right leg, and it is very nice and deep. Now, there is no zipper here, so I wouldn't put anything that you would be afraid for it to come out. But I also like the detailing here. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but it has a cool High Experience talking about how they love us being out in the wild and enjoying the ski slopes. Now, if you're looking to get a cinched waist with these pants, you can go ahead, you can use this buckle right here to give you that cinched look. And there's also some elastic on the side and the back here that are great and very comfortable. If you're looking to have a steezy, baggy look on the slopes, these are incredible, and there's a bunch of different colors. Go check out High Experience today, and I promise you won't be disappointed.